Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. All right. Daily chart. We talked about some areas yesterday. We talked about whether they were going to close above or below the 20-day simple moving average, the daily middle Bollinger Band, which is this morning basically at 96. You got the 9-day in that same area at 94. We had 38.20, which was resistance from last month. They blew all that. You can see here, I mean, they ripped up through it. They closed 38.28 quarter. So like I said here, look, close over the 23.20. It opens new all-time highs. 38.62.25. It's coming right after you. You can see what's happened here. This is your Sunday night open, and basically they beat them. I mean, they beat them with a half an hour here or there, with a little bit of chop overnight here and there. This thing has had an agenda this week, and it has been to the upside. It's made for some really nice trading. Solid day, 20 plus handles yesterday in the room. And with 3 days left to go in the week is done, and the monthly total, it's done. So what am I looking at going into today? Well, I'm still looking at the 20-day and the 9-day down there, seeing if it wants to pull back for a couple of hours and give that a look and kind of solidify the roundy as support. Kind of did that yesterday though. So what's interesting today is in taking out this area over here, in taking out this 38.20 from back on the 28th of January, in taking this out and effectively trying to turn it into support here, if that is successful, you've really got blue sky until you get to that 52, 53, 54 area, which have been a serious problem back here. Remember all these tests? We did 62. Then over the next couple of days, prior to it, 52, 53, 54 had been a problem. You had a little spike here, 52, 53, 54 is a problem, and then we go ahead and pulled in. So you really don't have any resistance at all until you get up into that 53, 54 area. Your overnight high, 43.5. So you're really only talking about another 10 handles from there. How it deals with 53, 54 will be interesting. If it gets through there, then it's going to take dead aim at the all-time highs. Not saying that this is going to happen today. Honestly, I think this tape very badly needs, if not today, then tomorrow, this tape very badly needs a day of just grinding everybody up. Just grinding everybody, chopping it up in a fairly narrow range, relatively speaking, versus what we've seen the last, few sessions. We should, we're due for a really lousy trading tape. Not saying it's going to happen today, but what I am saying is be on the lookout for that. And if it is a tighter range, if it is choppier, if it is whippier, if it's more difficult to get done what you need to get done, then you need to back off. Don't overtrade a tape that doesn't want to be traded. Okay? Don't overtrade a tape that doesn't want to be traded. If it wants to continue to be directional, whether that's up or down, I don't care. That's great. But if it starts to consolidate, and you can see on this chart, after all of this, is taking a pause up here really some remote experience? No. Compression, expansion, compression, expansion. Bands are certainly compressed. They can stay compressed for a day or two. Just keep that in mind. Don't bang your head into a wall today if this thing doesn't want to move. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, come check out the room, enjoy your final shovel today if you're here in the tri-state area with me, and I will catch everybody tomorrow. Have a good one. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.